Sit there. Ah! Oh, that was so weird. Say hey, Lexi. Lexi Poopers.
I want to do something good.
Say, wait, you have to say hi first, Lexi Poop.
Hi.
I call her Lexi Poopers. Just kidding, I don't say that. Look at my mom's. Look at my mom's leg.
You're not going to fly that. I can hit somebody in the head, Alec, or the eye.
You're not gonna fly it.
Alec.
Good old-fashioned family visits to good old Costco.
Either you're going to take that deal or you're not going to do it.
I want a bear. 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 I want a bear.
Why do you want a bear, Lexi?
I want a bear.
She like really wants a
want a bear.
stupid big old fat stuffed animal bear.
I want a bear.
Huh.
I want a bear.
Sits up for 2 days,
I
I'll
want
get
a
her
bear. I want a bear. I want a bear.
She won't shut up.
Bear.
She won't shut up. She stopped.
I want a bear.
We are gonna get Costco pizza. Yeah.
I want a bear.
Costco playa. Yes. We're at the location of my new house I'm about to move into in just a little bit. But I would like to show you my bathroom, in which I kind of designed on a budget. Do you like my counters? Whoa. Look at my counters. Do you like that? That's like my favorite part. What? Because I'm in here? A baby praying mantis in its natural habitat.
No, you have to hold this.
Oh, yeah.
What's your arm? You can't hold this one? What do you do?
Our lawnmower is very ghetto. Welcome to the family of ratchetness. Look at our fountain. We are so ratchet. Look at our palm trees. Oh!
What?
I don't know. Boo. Say it, say it.
No.
No, look, say it, say it. What's up, Lex?
Whoa.
It's the next day and I'm at my new house in the new downstairs bathroom. Anyway, long story short, I didn't really do an introduction for that vlog. It just kind of, boom, went into it and we're like... First off, we were scaring my mom, as you could tell. We told her, like, the dog pooped in the room. Anyway, and then we went to Costco and just chilled here at my new house, which I'm about to move into in approximately 2 weeks. I will be living in this house. So, yeah, it kind of looked like crap this weekend, but that's mainly because I'm just studying for finals. One last week, and I am done. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Stay ratchet, and, you know, hey, bye.